Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on FastAPI. Yes, I had done plenty of videos on Python with Flask, with facial emotion recognition, with sentiment analysis, with age and gender classification, with face detection, face recognition, then fruits and vegetable classification using Streamlit. All of these are done using Streamlit. Then attendance system using Streamlit with Python, using deepface library, using fear library, using mtcnn library, using facenet, using vggface2 and many more. Today we are going to see facial emotion recognition using deepface library with analysis in different style, in different way, in different manner. So let us go through the backend part first. Here is the structure. I am having app, then here main file, FastAPI, now here we can nothing is there in query. If I want to take the image, I will first of all I will take the live face. So I will execute the program. Here is the structure. App folder is created. So I'm starting the FastAPI backend. FastAPI backend started successfully. Now front end. A nice crease is displayed in front of you. Now I will start the webcam for age, gender and race. Camera. Yes, fine. I take the happy image. Yes. Now I will analyze. Yes, happy is coming at the top. Age is coming, estimated age 34, it is approximate. And gender age. Gender is also coming man and domain name Indian, and that is all Indian, and this thing black, and this thing gray background. Now I will add another photo. Now see what happens. Now it is estimated is showing the domain race and this thing. Fear, yes, fine. Surprise is more, it is showing correct manner. Black and this thing. Now I will upload an image, see what happens. Image, yes sir, okay. Input image, it is showing srk. Okay, analyze. Fear, it is showing fear and surprise in this thing. Now I will close the photo. I will upload the image, and it is of Shahrukh. See what happens. So sad, it is coming, very nice. Now I will upload the image of another person. I will upload image of Anil Kapoor. Happy, he is always happy. Gentleman. Face, happy is coming, age 34, white, and this thing, and so I successfully done with facial emotion recognition and analysis in different style, in different manner, in different way. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on facial emotion recognition and analysis. If possible, I will download one image. Angry image of Ankush Chaudhary. We will see this image. We will see angry image of Ankush Chaudhary. Yes. Now we will upload image of Ankush Chaudhary. See what happens. Yes, estimated age 47, man. Angry image is successful. So I successfully done with emotion recognition from an image, also from live face. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI with Streamlit. Whatever I have done it using Python and Flask, I will do it using FastAPI. So for latest update about Python, machine learning, web development, Python, Node.js, React.js, OneStack, full stack, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.